So guys, today we are going to be making this, which is a cucumber, beetroot and feta cheese salad. It's going to be absolutely amazing. If you want to learn how to make this, stick around. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make an absolute delicious beetroot, feta and cucumber salad, which is absolutely amazing, ideal for summer. I don't eat enough salads, I probably should, but here we go. So anyway guys, everything for this recipe you will need is here. So don't worry if you do miss these ingredients, I will be putting those in the info box below, so do check down there for these and you'll catch them. So yeah guys, we're also going to be using some olive oil and we're going to be using this to make some dressing. So guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a nice large glass bowl just like this, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add about 100 grams of rocket. And all we're going to do now guys, we're going to move that to the side. We're just going to get a nice bowl and then we're just going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil into here. Lovely. Throw that behind there. Now what we've got here is we've got some thyme leaves, and all we want to do is we want to take a nice pinch of thyme leaves, not too much. So now that we've got our thyme in our oil, what we're going to do is we're going to take our microplane and then we're just going to take an orange. Lovely. And all we're going to do is we're going to zest about half of the orange. Again, you don't want to overpower the flavours. What we're after is a nice delicate balance of flavours. From here, a nice healthy pinch of salt in there as well. What we're going to do is we're just going to take a little bit of white wine vinegar and we're just going to drop that in there as well. Lovely. So what we're going to do now, all we're going to do is we're going to mix this up gently like this. And all we're going to do is pour it straight in over the top of our rocket leaves. There's two ways to mix this up. One, you can just mix it up with that, but you might bruise the leaves. The other way is the way I prefer. You take your glass bowl or lid or glass plate and you just gently roll it around like that. Lovely. What we're going to do is we're just going to pop this down here for now, and now we're going to prepare all of our toppings for our delicious salads. So the first thing we've got is we've got a feta cheese, and all we're going to do is we're going to cut this into small cubes. And there or thereabouts. Lovely. Let's turn that round. Just like that. We're going to pop that back onto the dish and we're just going to leave this to the side. So what we're going to do now guys, we're going to take our cucumber, hey, look at that, hey, and we're going to just cut this straight down the middle like that and get rid of that part, and then we're going to chop off the end, put it on its side or end, I don't know, one of the two. We're going to put it that way and we're going to cut straight down the middle, just like that. Now we're going to leave the skin on because we want some of the bitter notes in there, and then we're just going to cut at an angle 2 or 3 mil wide, and you're going to have all these lovely half moon shapes of cucumber. Just going to pop all these cucumber slices into the dish. Lovely. So we're just going to take another bowl, pop that there, and this is the messy one. Now, some people like to use plastic gloves for that. I really don't. I've got a real issue with plastic in the oceans, so I'm not. So if my fingers go purple, I apologise now, but I'd rather have purple fingers than an extra plastic bag in the ocean. So yeah guys, anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our beetroot just like this. I'm going to use a different chopping board because it will mark that one. I don't mind this one getting marked, so not that you need to know that. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our beetroot, we're going to cut it in half again, and then we're just going to go straight down the middle, and you should end up with beautiful wedges like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut 3 or 4 of these, 3 or 4, maybe 2 or 3. We're going to cut 2 or 3. So let's bring that back up. What I did actually forget is to put a squeeze of orange. What we're going to do, we're just going to squeeze that into there. What we're going to do is we're going to take our rocket, we're going to put that in a nice glass bowl like that, and all we're going to do is put all of our ingredients into our salad like this. Don't pay too much attention to where they're going. You don't want it to look like it's contrived. And what you also want to do is you want to put the white or the feta cheese on last. Break some of them up. few more in. So guys, to make this look really pretty, we're going to take our cucumber, we're going to take our peeler, and what we're going to do is we are just going to peel a few slices like that, and then we are going to stack them up off center, and then we're just going to roll them up just like this, and we can pop that in the center just like that. So yeah guys, that's how you make a feta, beetroot and cucumber salad. Really quick, really easy to do. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, take care of yourselves. Bye bye. I'll also be using some olive oil, and I'll be